everyone. So on my screen, you can see a question where it is written drag and match congruent images or congruent triangle. So we need to drag a triangle from the left side of the screen and drop it to its respective congruent triangle like this. So let's solve this. So yeah, we have paired all the congruent triangles. Let's check the answer. So yes, we got 3 out of 3 points. So it is interesting, right? So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can create these type of drag and drop images to make our lessons, our classes more interactive. Because geometry is all about practicing more and more and visualizing images, visualizing lines, angles, etc. And students often find it boring. But to make it more interesting, to make students practice more and more, we can use these type of tools. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can create these drag and drop images interactive tools. Now for this, you need to sign up to a software, Education. You can download the app on your desktop as well, or you can browse it on the web as well. So for that, after signing up, you need to go to the dashboard and create new content option. So after clicking create new content, you will see a variety of H5P options here. You can create any of the H5P tool here, and it is free to use. It is easily editable. You can share it easily. But for now, for today's video, we are going to use this image pairing. After searching, you can search here, drag and drop quiz image pairing. So we will be using image pairing option. You can see here already written, it is already written what is image pairing. You can see content demo option as well. Now let's just click on use button. After clicking on use, first option you will see is title. You need to give your H5P a title. So let's give it a title, congruency of triangle. Now the task description, it is more like the question. What you want your students to do. So we will write drag triangles from the left to match them with congruent triangles. Congruent. Let's replace this with congruent triangles on the left. You can change it after publishing your content as well. Now, in order to make the questions, what you need to do, you can use already prepared images of congruent triangles, or you can create by yourself. Like I have created images on the Google Slides and have taken the screenshots and saved them in my Drive. You can use already created triangles, already prepared worksheets, and you can take screenshots from them. You can save the images as well. Just save the images on your device. Now what you need to do, you will create an add option. After clicking an add, I have created a folder on my desktop and I have saved these images like card 1, card 1.1. It means card 1 and its congruent images card 1.1. You need to the correct image pair, you need to add them in one card as well. One card only. So card 1, after opening it, so here you can see edit image option, edit copyright. If you have downloaded your image from anywhere which needs to give the copyright, so you need to give the copyright. But if it's your own image, there is no need to add the copyright. Now, to help the students, to help visually impaired students, you need to write what this image is. What this image is. So we will write triangle ABC with sides. You can write with sides 4, 3, and 2 centimeter. You can write this. Now, next option is matching image. The congruent image of this is, I have named this as card 1.1 to make it easier to find it, so that I can find my images easily. Now, this is what? This is triangle PQR, right? Now, similarly, you can add card 2. Card 2, your question number 2. Question number 2. And similarly, you can add the alternative text for it. So here we have 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and 66 degree. And the matching image is 2 point, I have saved this as 2.1. Add the alternative text for it, like this. Yeah. So after adding two cards, you can see here we have an option add card. And after adding add card, you can add as many questions as you want. I have created total 5 questions. Now let's explore more options. So we have behavioral setting. You can add button for retry when the game is over, and you can just save your content. So after saving your content, you can click on this view option. We will click on view option, and here we can see how our content will look like. So if you want to change your question, you can change it. You can check your solution if it is correct or not. So let's just check it for once quickly. So I'm going to pair all of these. This is 66 degree. These two are congruent. Let's check these two and these two. Now let's check our response. So yeah, it means we have paired all the images correctly. Now, in order to share the content with your students, you will click on deploy content. After clicking on deploy content, you will see here multiple options. You can enable or disable them as per your need. So I am enabling it for now. Now you need to give your content a name also. I am giving it for now congruency, right? Now let's just save this content here, and after saving your content, click on this link icon. After clicking on link, you will see a link here. You can copy or you can share the QR code with your students. After copying it, you can share with your students. Now let's see what student interface will look like. Let's copy and paste it here. So the student interface, it will ask some question and the student will confirm this, and the student interface will look like this. Students need to match. So I'm just matching all of these randomly. So you can check also if it is checking the wrong responses. What will be the response of this Lumi after receiving wrong responses? Let's check. So yeah, we got only 2 points. So after this, it will give us two options, either retry or show solution. So student can click on retry option, or they can check the solution. Now let's check now. So yeah, let's click on show option. So it will give us the options like this. So yes, so you can use by using drag and drop images, you can create multiple questions. You can create questions on congruency as well. You can be as creative as you want. So let me know in the chat box if you like this video, and if you want me to come up with more H5P tools or not. So we can learn together and create more and more interactive tools. Thank you for watching this video.